All right. Moving on. Next news piece. So I'll be saying this one. HTC announces. This is what I get for not reading this one ahead of time. It's been a super busy week for me. I just finished up finals week. I just graduated, and it was my birthday yesterday. I have had no time, no free time. Thank you. No free time at all. I'm behind on YouTube videos. I'm behind on everything. Okay. Moving on. HTC announces Vive XR Suite, a bundle of VR apps for remote productivity. What in the world does that mean? Good question. I don't know either. Let's find out. HTC today announced the Vive XR Suite, a bundle. What is wrong with me today? a, a bundle
I'm not the only
of
one.
5.
You want me to take over, Rip? You doing okay?
No. I got this. A bundle of 5 enterprise-focused VR applications. The company has tapped the likes of VRChat, Museum of Other Realities, never heard of that, and Engage to offer businesses a range of VR services to choose from. HTC is trying to seize the moment, as much of the world remains on lockdown, to make VR-based at remote education, meetings, and socializing the new norm. The community is bundling a handful of collaborative and social VR applications together under the Vive XR Suite brand, which it hopes will make it easy for businesses to get up and running with remote work and collaboration. But are they giving away free headsets? Because that's really how you're going to get them,
Right.
HTC. And you do not have very cheap headsets to give away freely.
No, I feel like any talks of Vive should be like separate from HTC at this point, because I feel like Vive is almost like the last thing even holding them together.
Right.
And I laughed so hard at the part where they said they're seizing the moment, because it's like, I don't think HTC has seized the moment since, like, I don't know, 2012.
Right?
Like, for a minute there, they were on top of the mobile game, and then they just fell off hard. So I hope this is something for them, but I'm worried they're going to fall into obscurity, even as one of the original big headset makers. I feel like they're already kind of falling off. So
yeah. I mean, they're the headsets to buy right now. I mean, a lot of people are still buying Vive, but by and large, people are buying Oculus and they're buying the Valve Index.
Yeah,
So
for sure.
yeah, I don't know. Is this, first off, HTC? If this is Vive exclusive, don't make it Vive exclusive. Just don't. If you are, this is going to be a total flop.
Yeah, I don't understand. Like, so are they trying to make like a package deal basically, where it's like all of this will be available together?
it
What I
sounds
don't
like that they're putting together a bunch of things so that, like, your business can buy this and everyone can now from home use all these different tools. It's going to help your business. Like, it's kind of a
Right.
smart idea for the situation we're in as a world. But do any businesses have enough VR headsets to actually pull this off? I mean, maybe VR companies, but that's a pretty small well to be drawing from. So
Right. Yeah.
Right, and especially PC ran ones. Like, I don't know. I can see where they're going with it. I mean, and it's overall a good idea, but
Yeah.
yeah,
I
I
mean,
don't know.
I definitely, I could see, okay, if I'm a business, I could see the benefit of having like a Microsoft Office suite style of just like the whole company bought a bunch of, I don't know, let's say quests. If they don't have quest support for this, they've totally lost their minds, because
No, yeah.
that would be the best option for businesses, is like only spend $400 and you can buy everyone a headset and they just keep it on their desk. So let's say everyone gets a quest. You purchase this suite. You boot up the suite, the Vive XR suite. You boot it up, and you have most of what you need readily available. You can hop into meetings fairly seamlessly. You can open chats. What else do they say here? Museum of I
Yeah,
don't
what
know what
is
that means.
that?
Yeah.
you go tour the
Does
museum
anybody
on your
know?
break. You got a break, you go
I
to the
guess.
museum, you learn some
It
stuff.
sounds
There's
kind
no
of
way.
interesting. I kind of want to check that out.
Yeah. And Engage. I don't know what Engage is either.
Mm-mm.
I think I've heard of that VRChat thing. Yeah, that's
Yeah. Yeah, that sounds very familiar. So I mean, I can get that. I can get behind that, but it's got to be real seamless and it's got to be available on more than just the Vive, cuz imagine trying to set up because Vives aren't inside out, right? None of them are inside out right yet.
No,
Am I
no.
wrong on that?
Well, the Elite
Mm-mm.
Cosmos and stuff, they are starting to get that, but it's definitely not what people have in their homes readily
Right.
available.
So that means every single person's cubicle needs lighthouses, like the tracking cameras. Imagine the
Yeah.
nightmare.
Ugh.
Yeah.
Like, there's just no way that people want to do that. Vive. I mean, if you want to focus on the software, by all means. But if you're trying to make this like really just a part of the Vive and heaven forbid exclusive to the Vive headsets, you're making a mistake. Cool idea, but you're making a mistake.
Yeah.
Thank you for listening to my TED Talk.